I have done some upgrades since the last roll night. Upgraded the injectors to 1700s. I did another 525 pump. Added the AMS intake manifold and made about 20 wheel horsepower more. Maxed out the FP Black. Made 538 wheel and actually 10 wheel horsepower, 10 wheel less torque.
Close to 105 pounds.
Yeah. So the main difference with this new tune is that I get to rev longer. So I'm revving the car to about 7,700 RPMs. So taking advantage of the cams. Get out a little bit more oil, make sure it's good. Put a little zip tie right here next to the wheel so my bumper doesn't come off. Just little things getting ready. Can't tell if that's a cop or not. I can't tell if his helmet is white or gold. What does it look like to you? Look at it, look at it.
I don't know, there's only one way to find out.
Get closer. I don't want to though. Yeah, my boy got my car on already. We're running a little bit late. Everybody's on the highway already. I can already hear them. Where did this come from? Got a Mercedes. Mercedes. Scat Pack, Mustang, Honda Boys, Angry, got a Hellcat, Scat, boosted truck, 4x4, Corvette on the tire, Mustang, the boosted truck, another boosted truck, 01. 20. Yeah, it's just as soon as you pulled up the first time and I heard the spool, I was like, oh, this fool has to be single turbo. That shit has to be fast. Like, the thing is, we kept racing on the curves, bro. Like, yeah, bro, it was hard, bro. Yeah, dude, it was hard. I wish we would have raced on a straightaway. Yeah. We still got up there. I went all the way up to like top of my fifth gear. So.
I seen that. You're manual, huh?
Yeah, 6 speed.
Yeah, bro. That's fucking shit,
yeah.
bro.
Yeah, good shit, dude.
Slapped him, dude.
Fuck yeah. This shit's fucking insane. Oh, it's not on the tire. It's just white tire. The Infinity. You think so? Oh, Car's ready to take off. Beamer, Evo. I'm gonna try to get a run against that Evo right there.
It could have cut off early though.
You see?